Hi and Assalamualaikum. For Chapter 2 of this biology course, the topic is cell structures and function. This topic has 4 subtopics, but this video only discusses subtopic 2.1, Prokaryotic and Eukaryotic cells. Let's proceed with subtopic 2.1. For the learning outcomes, at the end of the lessons, students should be able to state 3 principles of cell theory. Before we discuss the cell theory, what is cell? Cell is the basic unit of life, meaning that all living organism is made up of cells. We have 2 main categories of the cell, which are prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells will form the organism called prokaryotes, like bacteria. The eukaryotic cells, like plants and animal cells, will form the organism called eukaryotes. The examples of eukaryotes are animal, plant, and fungi. What is the main difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells is the building of the genetic material. Both cells have DNA to store the genetic information, but prokaryotic cells have DNA without nuclear membrane, meaning that the DNA is free in the cytoplasm, while eukaryotes have true nucleus, in which DNA is enclosed within nuclear envelope. So, let's discuss about the cell theory. The theory is proposed by 3 scientists, Slayton, Schwann, and Rickle. The first cell theory is all living organisms are composed of cells. Second is, cells are basic unit of structure and function in organisms. Third is, cells come only from pre-existing cells by cell division. Thank you for your attention. Let's check this video for further explanation.
Cells are the smallest living units of an organism. All cells have 3 things in common, no matter what type of cell they are. All cells have a cell membrane, which separates the inside of the cell from its environment, cytoplasm, which is a jelly-like fluid, and DNA, which is the cell's genetic material. There are 2 broad categories of cells. The first category is eukaryotic cells. They have organelles, which include the nucleus and other special parts. Eukaryotic cells are more advanced, complex cells, such as those found in plants and animals. The second category is prokaryotic cells. They don't have a nucleus or membrane-enclosed organelles. They do have genetic material, but it's not contained within a nucleus. Prokaryotic cells are always one-celled or unicellular organisms, such as bacteria.